Thank you. New here at 5 with outbreaks of measles happening across the country. Today, state health officials sent notifications to the families of 75,000 children who may be overdue for a measles, mumps, and rubella or MMR vaccine. Kim Posey live at the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment to tell us how these families are being contacted. Kim.
Yeah, the health department here sent text messages and emails to these families. The goal is to increase vaccination rates and to prevent an outbreak.
MMR vaccines are available at no cost or low cost at doctors' offices, pharmacies, public health clinics, and even some schools. But vaccination rates in Colorado have dropped. So state health officials are sending email or text messages to the families of 75,000 kids ages 4 to 6 whose records show the kids may be overdue for their MMR vaccine. The state epidemiologist, Dr. Rachel Herlihy, wants families to know the U.S. is seeing an increase in cases.
We've seen more cases of measles already in the U.S. this year than we saw last year, and it's only the beginning of the year. So we know that things have shifted and there's more measles happening right now.
Since January, 121 cases of measles have been confirmed across 18 states. And just a few months ago, an international traveler to Colorado tested positive. Plus, there was an outbreak at a migrant shelter in Chicago that affected dozens of people.
Any place where we have pockets of under-vaccination is really where we want to make sure that people have access to the vaccine and these important reminders to get up to date on vaccine.
The notifications explain that measles is more than just a rash. It is a serious disease that is highly contagious. Health officials hope their messaging also reaches the migrant community.
We have been working closely with our partners at the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment to ensure that vaccines are available to newcomers here in Colorado. And that includes vaccination efforts in schools, school-based clinics, in shelters as well. So lots of opportunities for people to get up to date on vaccines.
Now, to enter school, families must show proof of vaccination or officially opt out of vaccinations. Those emails and text messages did offer ways to find a provider. Kim Posey, Fox 31.
All right.